Welcome back to my channel where we talk about how we can live our best lives and show our children how to live theirs by our example, by doing it together. It avoids mommy guilt, it avoids doing everything for everyone else and becoming codependent, and it shows them how to live their best life and get best bit. You get to do what you want to do. So today we're going to talk about the kitchen. I'm just boiling the kettle for my coffee, but I just wanted to talk to you guys first. So last night when Vienna and I made dinner together, she picked out the ingredients, she helped me cook it, and you know what? She ate her dinner. Now, I don't know about you, but my little girl does not like eating her dinner, and it's a struggle all the time. But last night, no struggle at all. She ate it all. Why? Because she was involved. And I got this idea from Jessica, one of my coaching clients, who is awesome, and she is starting her own business in granola bars, and she has onboarded her kids into that business by letting them pick the ingredients for the granola bars, which is great. So they're sharing it together, and then they help her cook them, and it's all natural, healthy ingredients that she is using. And she is using reusable packaging to keep it sustainable. It's wonderful. And that kettle's starting to boil. So let's pop over and watch the video from last night where Vienna is going to show you how she made dinner.
I'm making salmon chips.
What kind of chips?
Potato chips.
Potato chips?
Yeah.
Well, what's this? This isn't a potato. It's a pretty big potato.
Yeah.
So what kind of potato is this? It's not a potato, is it?
It is a sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sweet what?
Sweet potato.
So the E makes the I say its name. So fries.
Fries.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and what kind of vegetables are we having?
We're having cauliflower and
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts.
And did you pick out all these ingredients today?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna make the chips first because they take the longest to cook.
Yeah. So we have to do the salmon.
Yeah, the salmon. Yeah. So first
And
we'll do
then
the chips.
we have to cook the salmon
Yeah.
in a pan. And then we have to make the dish. Six is the dish. We don't need to make the salad.
So actually, we're not gonna make the salad, but we'll do the vegetables first. Because what we'll do is we'll put on some water to boil, and we'll and then we'll do.
I think those might be a bit too big.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, maybe a bit small.
Well, I don't want them to burn. Is the only thing.
Yeah, so that might be enough.
Yeah.
Do you want to cut half of it?
All right. So what kind of spice do you want? Do you want to just do salt and pepper, or do you want to do some paprika? What do you want to put on
Oh my gosh, I didn't even think of this.
Yeah. What do you want to put?
We could put salt and pepper and even a bit of spice to make it even.
Yeah. What kind? You want
So
paprika
it's
spice?
a surprise.
You want paprika spice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some olive oil on.
Then I'll put the salt and pepper and the paprika.
Paprika.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Okay. I might need to move a bit.
You turn it. Okay, we don't want them too salty, but maybe a little more salt than that.
Now some pepper to make it a bit spicy. And now paprika up on the side.
Yeah, that's the right side. Good job.
Paprika.
You could probably put a little bit more on.
Here.
Need some help?
Here, I can do it.
Alright, and I'll toss them.
And if they're not, I might put a little bit more salt.
You want some more on? Because there's a lot of them.
the veggies. Just because we need veggies inside.
Why do we have veggies?
Because then you might get a bit sick.
Why would you get sick if you don't have veggies?
Because you might get sick because you have too much stuff that's not healthy and no stuff that is healthy for you. So you need stuff that is not.
Oops.
Well, some stuff that is.
I just dropped the pot in the water.
Okay. So, okay.
No. Thank you. That's a big knife for a little girl.
And we might need a bit more. Well, might need a bit more than that because it's 3 of us, not only 1 of us. Because my dad's just sitting there. He doesn't even care what we are doing. Don't you, Dad? He didn't even listen.
Daddy didn't hear you, sweetie.
Oh, you don't even care what we're doing, do you?
Well, he's going to care because he's going to eat it. Are you rinsing it?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So, Daddy actually taught me this at the end. That you make a little X in the Brussels sprouts.
I know.
You know that? Oh,
Yeah.
like that.
And to wash them always first.
Wash them always first.
Yeah, here. I'll wash this.
Half the cauliflower.
Yeah. So, I might put some hot wood in there.
No, the hot water is in that one.
Oh.
I've already done it. So I'm going to boil it and I'm going to steam them
I was thinking maybe
instead of boiling them.
put some, what was it again? Put all of those inside there.
Well, instead of boiling them, I'm going to steam them. So,
What's inside here again?
just water.
Oh, so we can put the cauliflower in.
Yeah. There we go.
I meant this.
All right, so I'm doing half the cauliflower.
You mean this?
No, those are Brussels sprouts. We're going to do all the Brussels sprouts, we said, and half the cauliflower. So we can use this bag for the cauliflower. It's all wrapped up. You want to put that in the fridge?
Sure.
Oop.
Peace.
Okay. All right.
Is this all good?
What do you think? Do they need to be smaller?
I might break them a bit.
Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, so I think we're done with the knife now.
Here's some salmon.
All right.
Okay.
That cutting board is go there.
We need the knife, please. Can I have the scissors? Here, thank you.
All right, so we're gonna spread the sesame seeds over a plate, and we're gonna pat the salmon dry.
Okay, can I pull the sesame seeds?
All right, we don't want all of it. Okay, we just need just some. Okay,
Okay.
so that's probably enough. What do you think?
Yeah. Then you can just pick it up.
No, we're not going to pick it up. We're going to pick up the salmon, but first we have to pat the salmon dry. So we're going to need a towel. Can you get one of our kitchen towels? The first thing we need to do is pat them dry, so very, very gently because we won't break it. Oh, look at this.
I'll do it. No.
Okay, maybe put this down
And then we put it on top.
and do like this, and then you can just like pat, pat.
Pat, 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 pat.
Okay, so what are we going to do after that? Okay, so we're going to pat it dry. Okay, we're going to need another plate. Here's another plate. We're going to pat it dry, and then we're going to put it on the plate, and we're going to need that olive oil again. We're going to drizzle with olive oil. I've got it right here.
Oh,
And drizzle with a little olive oil.
on one piece.
a little olive oil.
That's my bit.
And we're gonna have to be with salt and pepper as well.
Okay.
So we need to put salt and pepper on. Generously with salt and pepper, it says. Generously. What does generously mean? That's a big word.
It means that very nice.
It means a lot, so probably a little more than that.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
No, I'm saying sorry. But you might need a bit more pepper.
All right.
You might need some. It might need some pepper.
Yeah? Okay. Gentle. Don't want to rip it.
But
We need
this
a frying pan. Thing is, the chips aren't anywhere near done. So how long is this going to take? You might want to pause for a bit.
there we go.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put a pause. Plates will need to get washed or rinsed now, so put them in the sink.
There's still some sesame seeds.
That's okay. You can put them in the bin.
Oh my god.
Put them in the bin? Tip the plate into the bin. Okay? Okay.
I might need to wash my hands.
Okay. You can go under the cupboard?
Thanks for visiting.
No, this cupboard. Where the food goes, not where the plates go.
Thanks for visiting.
Thanks for visiting.
I'm so sorry.
2 to 4 minutes each side.
So hello. So now we're going to do the plate. What? Now we're going to put them on the plate.
Yeah, I just put the plates in the oven
Yeah.
because I saw somebody do that. Actually, my mom does that so that you don't put the hot food on cold plates.
Yeah.
So I thought we'd try it, but I don't want you to get them out of the oven because I don't want you to burn yourself.
Yeah. And next step is just one more step, then we're all done.
All right.
Mom, let me see. Oh my gosh, we're so close to done. Seriously.
So close to done.
We just need to get a plate.
All right. Plates are warm.
And then we just got to put all the stuff so beautifully on top.
Okay, what should we put on the plate first?
So let's look what they did first. So they...
Should we put the chips on the plate first?
Oh no, we should. We should put actually the salmon on first.
The salmon on first?
It's greasier and we have
Okay.
to get it.
Alright, so this is the one you wanted. Right.
Yes.
That's the one you wanted.
And then
And that one for Daddy. And that one for me. And I'll save this other one if anybody wants more.
I probably would like more.
Yeah, well, you need to eat one first, okay?
And now we're going to put on the chips.
Now we're going to put the chips on?
Yeah, but I get to put them on.
Oh, well, I don't want you to touch the hot pan, okay?
I get to pick how much I want.
Okay. There.
That's what it looks like.
All right, you say, have a good dinner?
Have a good dinner.
Kettle's almost boiling now, so I'm going to make my coffee. But if you want to find out more about this activity, there is a shopping list and downloadable about this activity that you can get with this secret code. Now, I'm going to get this right this time. I always point the wrong corner. I always get the wrong one. I am dyslexic. So up in the corner, YouTube puts the code, grab the code, and you will get discounts only for my YouTube followers. Here are some videos about activities that you can do with your kids and how you can onboard them in your mindfulness practice or your current way that you are living your best life. Let me know in the comments what other things you want to see on this channel, guys, because it's all for you. And I guess it's time for coffee.